Welcome to day 227 Daily Current Affairs. Coming for today's first news, it is a great starting by IITH. India's first bio-brick based building opened at IITH. IIT Hyderabad project students, PhD students, developed a building block. Means using a bio-brick, they say security guard building was started. And it is going to be a game changer for farmers as agriculture waste will become an income generator. From the agriculture waste itself, they are building a biobricks. With this, they are want to construct the houses or buildings. Okay. Coming to next news, North Korea rejects Chinese vaccines, said by UNICEF. North Korea has rejected around 3 million doses of Chinese COVID-19 vaccines, suggesting they should be given to the countries in greater need, UNICEF said on Thursday. North Korea rejected, saying that the greater need people are required. We don't want required because already we have a strict restrictions to avoid the coronavirus in their country. So they have rejected the 3 million doses from Chinese. Okay, these are today's daily news and current affairs. We will meet again in tomorrow daily news and current affairs. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.